Want to look your best on vacation? Don't forget to take care of your hair. Follow these simple tips to keep your hair healthy, shiny, and protected from damage. Stay tuned for more. Hi, everyone, and welcome back to our channel. If you're planning to go on vacation soon, you might be wondering how to take care of your hair while you're away. In this video, we'll be sharing some tips on how to care for your hair on vacation. Protect your hair from the sun. When you're on vacation, you might be spending a lot of time in the sun. This can cause your hair to become dry, frizzy, and damaged. To protect your hair, wear a hat or a scarf to shield it from the sun's harmful rays. You can also use a leave-in conditioner with SPF to provide extra protection. Use hair care products suitable for the climate. Depending on where you're going, the climate might be different than what you're used to. If you're going to a humid or tropical climate, for example, your hair might need extra moisture to stay healthy. Look for hair care products that are designed for the climate you'll be in. For example, if you're going to a humid climate, you might want to look for products that contain coconut oil, which can help to nourish and hydrate your hair. Avoid using heat styling tools. Heat styling tools like hair dryers, curling irons, and flat irons can cause damage to your hair. When you're on vacation, try to avoid using these tools as much as possible. Instead, opt for natural styles like braids, buns, or ponytails. These styles can help to protect your hair from the sun and reduce damage caused by heat styling tools. Wash your hair less frequently. When you're on vacation, you might not have access to your usual hair care routine. Instead of washing your hair every day, try to extend the time between washes. This can help to prevent your hair from becoming dry and frizzy. If you need to freshen up your hair between washes, use a dry shampoo. This will help to absorb oil and keep your hair looking clean and fresh. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water is important for your overall health, including the health of your hair. When you're on vacation, it's especially important to drink enough water to stay hydrated. This can help to prevent your hair from becoming dry and brittle. You can also eat healthy foods that are rich in vitamins and minerals, like fruits and vegetables. These foods can help to nourish your hair from the inside out and keep it looking healthy and shiny. Avoid chlorine and salt water. Swimming in pools or the ocean can be fun, but chlorine and salt water can be harsh on your hair. Rinse your hair with fresh water after swimming and use a leave-in conditioner to help protect it. Pack a satin or silk pillowcase. Satin or silk pillowcases are gentler on your hair and can help prevent frizz and static. They also don't absorb moisture from your hair, which can help keep it hydrated. If you're staying in a hotel, you might not have access to a satin or silk pillowcase. So it's a good idea to pack one in your luggage. Trim your hair before you go. Getting a trim before your trip can help prevent split ends from getting worse, which can lead to breakage and thinning hair. Trimming your hair can also make it easier to manage and style while you're on vacation. If you're planning to spend a lot of time outdoors or in the water, a shorter hairstyle might be easier to maintain. You don't need to get a drastic haircut, but even a small trim can make a big difference in the health of your hair. Consider protective styles. Protective styles are hairstyles that help to protect your hair from the elements, such as sun, wind, and water. These styles can help prevent damage and breakage, and they're also low maintenance. Some popular protective styles include braids, twists, buns, and ponytails. These styles can help keep your hair out of your face and off your neck, which can be especially helpful if you're in a hot and humid climate. Don't forget to condition. Conditioner is important for keeping your hair moisturized and healthy. Even if you're washing your hair less frequently, be sure to use a conditioner to help detangle and soften your hair. Taking care of your hair on vacation is important to keep it healthy, shiny, and free from damage. These tips are simple and easy to follow, and they can make a big difference in the health of your hair. By protecting your hair from the sun, using suitable hair care products, avoiding heat styling tools, washing your hair less frequently, and staying hydrated, you can help prevent damage and breakage. That's it. We hope these tips help you take care of your hair on vacation. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching.